The Remix tool empowers creators to draw inspiration from a wide array of niches, enriching their content and expanding engagement. It significantly broadens creative horizons for video production. By utilizing the Remix tool, creators can convert trending titles into relevant concepts tailored for their channels, ensuring their content remains innovative and captivating. This approach enhances the likelihood of attracting viewer clicks. Additionally, the tool streamlines the content creation process by offering data-driven suggestions. This guidance equips creators to make informed decisions grounded in performance metrics gleaned from other videos. Moreover, the Remix tool can generate fresh titles and concepts for channels centered on various topics, such as fitness, language learning, or gardening. This versatility makes it an invaluable asset for any content creator. Once a title is created, users gain access to supplementary resources like video tags, descriptions, and thumbnail ideas. This significantly accelerates the content creation process. Importantly, the Remix button is readily available across YouTube, providing instant inspiration whenever users encounter intriguing content. This feature simplifies the generation of new video ideas.